myself Shailendra, and today I'm going to explain about this smart irrigation system. What it does means whenever the soil moisture is very less, it will take the water and pump it into the plant. So let me explain the components of this subject. So this is an ESP32 module. This is a very useful module for IoT projects. It will receive the Wi-Fi network from the internet router and it will give the data to the cloud, as you can see on the computer screen. It will take all the input values and display the output values in this computer. Okay. So let me take the input values of this node MCU. What the input values are is the humidity sensor. The humidity sensor, as you can see here, it takes the input of the temperature and humidity and it will convert into percentage in the program and it will show in this OLED display. As you can see, humidity, as you can see the temperature and the humidity now. Okay, let's talk about the another input device. This is a soil moisture sensor. For demonstration purpose, I have given a normal water where the moisture level is very high. So since the moisture level is very high, the pump motor is turned off. And basically, this is a relay. A relay, what it does means, it will receive the electrical signals from the ESP32 module and it will convert that electrical signals into mechanical signals. And when the mechanical signal works, it acts like a switch. And when switch is turned on, the pump motor will turn on, and when the pump motor turns on, it will flow the water and it will pass the water into the plant. So let's check the soil moisture sensor in the real life purpose. So I will take the water from here and as you can see that the relay turns on because there is no moisture levels there. And now I am going to place the soil moisture sensor in the plant. Now I have connected the capacitive soil moisture into the plant, and after taking the input from the plant, the soil moisture display will be shown here. So as you can see, the moisture level is 35% and the pump is off. The pump is off because in the computer we have set the trigger levels as 30, and whenever the trigger levels comes below 30, the pump level will turn on, and when the trigger levels are above 30, the pump level will turn off. So this was our simple project of smart irrigation system. Now the users of it is very vast. You can use it in homes as a smart plant watering system, or even in the farms where you can plant the crops, water the crops, or even you can spray the fertilizer automatically using this plant watering system. So let's talk about the dashboard of this plant watering system. Let's see that. So this is an dashboard in a computer screen. So we can have two dashboards actually, even in a mobile device or in a computer screen. We will talk about both. Let's talk about the computer screen dashboard now. Okay. Here is the trigger level. What it does means, if we change this trigger level after this point, below this point, the pump level will turn on. The motor turns on and it will water the plant. And this is the temperature which is detected by the temperature humidity sensor. And humidity is the same sensor detection level, and the moisture level is detected by the soil moisture sensor. This is an LED. If the pump is off, it will indicate a red light, and if the pump is on, it will indicate a green light. Now this chart is an temperature chart of how much temperature has been gone throughout the while. We can see a live chart and chart for 1 hour, or even a chart for 1 day. Like that, same for the moisture chart and the humidity chart. Now let's see the mobile dashboard. So this is the app called IOT remote. You can install this app from the Play Store. So let's open the app, what it does. So when you open the dashboard, you can either sign up here, or you can click on the sign in button. So I'm going to sign in with Google. Then you have to select your Google account which has been linked to your IoT account in your computer dashboard. Now it will sign in into your account. After signing into your account, as you can see, this is your project. So now we have to open your project. Now it will load and it will print the values here. As you can see, the mobile dashboard can be very useful now. You can see the 1 hour chart here now. This was past 1 hour moisture chart of the plant. And this is past 1 hour temperature. And this is past 1 hour humidity in this area. So, how can this mobile app be useful? It can be useful for mostly the homemakers where they can plant the plants and they cannot see the OLED display every time. So when they are in their home or anywhere from the world, they can just open this phone and they can check this app and see the plant watering status and its plant status. So this was the small irrigation project system. This was the explanation of the two dashboards. Thank you.